Keyless Enter and Go lets you lock or unlock the doors and trunk without ever touching the key fob, as long as the key fob can be detected by the vehicle. To lock or unlock the vehicle, you'll need to have the key fob within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of the handle in use. Grab a handle and it will unlock. To lock all the doors, push the lock button on one of the handles. You can have all the doors unlock automatically when the vehicle is placed in park and the driver's door is opened by selecting Auto Unlock on Exit in your Uconnect settings. If equipped, your doors will automatically lock when the vehicle speed exceeds 15 miles per hour. Your vehicle may also come equipped with a front trunk, or frunk, for additional storage. Press the hood release button on the instrument panel to the left of the steering wheel twice to release the hood. If the battery has been depleted, you can still open the hood by unlocking the emergency release door by turning the lock mechanism a quarter turn using a small tool, like a coin. Pull the emergency release strap 2 times to release the hood. The hood can also be opened from the inside by pressing the emergency release button. When you're all set, you can close the hood by gently lowering it until it is resting on the latch mechanism. Place 2 hands in the center of the hood, above the latch mechanism, and press firmly down until the hood is latched. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.